It's Will Peters, Eagle Creek Custom Homes. This house is 2,185 square feet. It is a Craftsman style home. As you can see from the tapered columns, and then the trim around the windows has a Craftsman style. And then the window on the front garage door has a Craftsman look to it, double kind of pull barn doors look, but it's actually a garage door 18 feet wide and 8 foot tall. And then the front porch has a wrapped columns with some knotty pine up underneath, as you can see here, a couple can lights, and then we have the dental mold on the door. A really nice doorway here, and you can see the hardy siding wrapping the house. And let's go inside. This door here is a fiberglass door painted to look like a Craftsman hardwood door. So it'll hold up to the elements a lot better. And as you come in, you can see this is a dining area. And then we have like a foyer area here. And then there is a little powder room as we come in the front door with full length mirror, 42-inch mirror, and then counter and the sink here, and then a toilet behind. And we also have 2-inch blinds throughout the house. But you can see there's beams in the ceiling, and then the wood beams. There's the dining area, and then this farmhouse look to the lighting. Let's look back at the front door. Then you can see the columns here. Kind of gives you this sense of a foyer space. And then our kitchen's over here. This is kind of an open concept, as you can see, looking out through the front. You got the fireplace there with the hewn beam. And then the Craftsman style doors with the Craftsman style trim. Here's a little hall closet under the stair with the water heater. Inside here, a couple shelves and hanger coats. And then just behind here, there is a hall tree, mudroom bench, and then there's 51 can lights in this house. So there's a lot of recessed lighting. And as you can see, looking out over the back, there's a deck on the back, 16 by 14 deck. And then all the bedrooms are upstairs in this house. Downstairs space is beautiful. Outdoor space is beautiful. We'll get a good picture here if we can. See if we can look out the window. And then there's a big overlooking a really beautiful scenery. So here's the kitchen space. We have a barn door, and that is going into a pantry laundry room area. Then this is an 8-foot slab of granite. There's granite throughout the house, every bathroom, every part of the kitchen. You can see a lot of kitchen cabinets here. And then like this farm style sink, then the backsplash, under counter lighting all the way around, even under the microwave. And then the appliances are included except for the refrigerator. Refrigerator does have a water hookup, and it'll go right here in this corner. But this is a big area to eat in, kitchen, and put shelves on. We also have outlets on either side. Dishwashers over here. This dishwasher, we have a drawer out to being repaired right now. The front face didn't look as good as I'd like. So we're gonna remake that drawer. But the stainless steel dishwasher, double insulated tub. And there's a lot of nice features on this. You can see, always nice to have a new dishwasher, but then you got this little pull-out shelf with all these little, you know, you get those things that jump off and they fall to the bottom of your dishwasher. That kind of prevents that. And it's super quiet. We also have disposal here in the sink. And then you have the window over the kitchen sink, and then looking out the back, you can see a beautiful view out there. But large cabinets, lots of room to storage, lots and lots of storage here. And then we also have lots of drawer storage. And then the island has tons of storage. And then you can see this pattern, it's like a little different color. The gray kind of ties that color in from the outside. And then the floors are hardwood floors. They're hand scraped oak hardwood floors. And there's a look back to the family room area. And then you can see the stairway here where we go to the bedrooms. But the big overhead ceiling fan, that's a 6-foot ceiling fan, it's oversized. Kind of looking a little bit more to the, but beautiful view at the back of the house. That's why we put these windows here. Also, hardwood stairway. They're not carpeted. And then we had an open stairway rail. And then on the back of the fireplace, you have a shiplap. And then going up the stairway, we have 2 can lights in the stairway, but we also have a big window above to let light in this 18-foot stairway. And then here's our stairs going up. And I just have paper on them right now to keep everything covered up until the new owners move in. The house is already sold. So, seemed to be something that the couple really liked. Just come to the top of the stairs here, and there's a hall bath that will meet the needs of the 3 spare bedrooms. And then there's another sink similar to downstairs, and then wrapped with like a barnwood trim around the mirror. And then behind the door, as you can see behind, I'll look through the mirror to make it see it a little easier. There's some linen cabinets. And then inside these linen cabinets, there's lots of shelves. You can put your towels, lots of space in there. Just more and more storage. And then the toilet, water closet, and the shower are separate. It's a drop-in tub. And then we also have blinds here, so you don't have to be afraid to get in here and get a shower. Toilet there. And then you're looking out front. Let's go back to, I want to show you this view as you look down the stairs. Isn't that gorgeous? So you're looking here and you're looking out over the back, and it's just, I mean, the view is amazing. So, and then here's the bonus room space. Got ceiling fans in every room. And then this bonus room space is, I'm trying to remember, it's 24 by 16, and then this bump out here makes it 18 feet, 9-foot ceilings. Then you got the slope. This would be great for a place to entertain or have a place to get away for the kids. Here's another closet. It's a really large closet. It's kind of walk in this room. This could be actually even a 4th bedroom because it has a large closet like this. Lots of storage, double shelves, little cubbies, and then another hanger rack in the back. So now we go down the hallway. I'm going to go to the other 2 bedrooms, and then we'll go to the master at the last. There's the bathroom again. Coming down the hallway here, passing the master door. And then let's go to this far bedroom. And this bedroom, just like the other ones, has the ceiling fan and light. And then there's switches here on the wall to control that. And then this color on the walls is called eider white. It's kind of got a little bit of a brown tone, but yet some grays as well. And it pulls into this carpet. This carpet is not silver. I think it's chrome or along those lines. So in the pictures, it may not look the same. And then here's a closet, full hanging rack there. And then we did some little cubbies here on the side. Just kind of bring that in. And this room is 11 by 11. So a decent sized room, 5-panel doors, and then Craftsman trim throughout. And just a little different trim than what you see in some of the other like spec houses. Same size bedroom here, 11 by 11. And then all of our closets have overhead recessed lighting. As you can see here, so you can see your clothes, and then the cubbies in the corners. So, beautiful 5-panel doors like Craftsman look is just great. And then the blue tape is just areas where we need to come back and either clean the walls where somebody's touched with a dirty hand or something like that, or repaint. So we're just about finished. Here we're coming into the master bedroom. You can see the oversized fan, 6-foot fan again, and then 4 can lights in here. And then you can see heading into the bathroom there's a barn door. Just kind of brings that look in. You can see the looking over, you get this view over top of the back deck, out the back just a gorgeous view. And then these shades are also nice, but you can see that view down there, just beautiful view. And then looking around in the bedroom, this bedroom's kind of unique. It has 3 closets. So we have 2 hanging closets. Now the woman and the couple that bought this house, they said, well, this is the man's closet here. And then she said, this is my closet for my extra things. And she said, this is also my closet. So I kind of figured that might happen. But you go in here and you see this. This is like a barnwood tile floor. It looks like hardwood, kind of grayed hardwood. And then there's a big, huge soaking tub, 36 by 66. And then a 3/4 inch water line comes to that tub. So it gets lots of pressure. Doesn't take long to fill up. And then there's a window in the bathroom here to bring a lot of light in, but it's not, it's kind of that opaque look. And then this big, crazy large counter, and there's a caulking gun sitting there waiting. But the countertops, 2 sinks, huge full-length mirror with the barnwood trim and double lighting. And then we have can lights. There's recessed can lighting in here. And then we're in the corner here, we have a walk-in shower with a frameless glass shower. And just beautiful shower here. This is porcelain tile. You have a little nook there to put your things. And then over here on this one side, I added this little feature here. A lot of times women like to shave their legs in the shower, and there's a good place to do that. So as you can see, just a beautiful shower. And then this glass door. And then the last thing in here is the toilet room. But this toilet room is kind of unique. It has a window where you don't feel like you're walking back into just a dingy, dark area. And then all of these rooms have the crown molding. And then we're looking back into the master bedroom. So this house is 2185 square feet. All the bedrooms are upstairs. And it's another great option for you. If you want to look on our website, you'll see we have several plans to choose from. And if you have any interest, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We would love to see if we can help you out in any way possible. And one more last look. We're going down the stairs here, and you can see just these beautiful views. And then coming back into this beautiful room. Really open floor plan, open layout. Just a gorgeous design. And I think we did miss the pantry room. Let's go in there real quickly. So inside this pantry, we have a mop sink or a scrub sink, and it's very deep. It's 18 inches deep. And the cabinet underneath. That's just shaker style cabinets. Then you got hanger rods to hang your drying clothes or your wet clothes. And then your washer and dryer will go here. And then more blinds that you can see around the windows. Windows in not every room, just kind of let that light in. And then here are the pantry shelves. And there's a service panel. But lots of storage, lots of rooms to put your groceries or whatever you would have to put in here. And there you have it. There it is. Well, I guess we did not look in the garage. Let's go to the garage real quick. This garage is 24 by 24 and 9.5 foot ceilings. So as you can see, we have a few things to clean up yet, but can lights in the garage as well. And then there's also light coming in from the windows on top of the garage window, garage door window. And then I like to put in these side doors. A lot of times you don't want to raise the garage door just to take out your garbage or something like that. So it has a lot of options like in and out of the garage, and you don't have to worry about. So we're just doing a little cleanup here, have our pressure washer out, but here we are coming back outside, and there we are looking it over again. So let's come right back to the beginning of the house, see if we can get a good view. And then just kind of pan around so you can see. What a beautiful view. What a beautiful house. Just kind of get the full view of it right here. And there it is. Have a wonderful day. Will Peters, Eagle Creek Custom Homes.